The components required for this experiment are Arduino Uno board, LCD display, I2C converter, time-of-flight sensor, breadboard, connecting cable and connecting OS.
This is our program. So here we need to install two libraries, Adafruit _VL53L0x and also the liquid crystal library. To install the library, go to tools and select manage libraries and search for the library name and click the install button. Now we need to upload the program. For that, connect your Arduino board to your laptop. Now go to this drop down. Here you can see the board and port is selected. Select that. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Arduino Uno board. Now we can check the output.